single letter sounds of F, R, B, G, H. Learn the sounds now.
These are the single letter sounds with my animal friends. This is big letter F and small letter F. The sound of this letter is F, as in frog. This is big letter R and small letter R. The sound of this letter is R, as in rabbit. This is big letter B and small letter B. The sound of this letter is as in pet. This is big letter G and small letter G. The sound of this letter is G, as in goldfish. This is big letter H and small letter H. The sound of this letter is
Let's practice listening to the beginning sound of each word.
The name of this letter is F. This is big letter F. This is small letter F. The sound of this letter is F, like the beginning sound of frog. Frog. Let's listen to the beginning sound of each word. Circle the beginning sound. Fan. Fan. Fern. Fern. Fox. Fox. Fence. Fence. Feet. Feet. Flower. Flower. Thumbs up. Now you know the sound of letter F is as in frog. The name of this letter is R. This is big letter R. This is small letter R. The sound of this letter is R, like the beginning sound of rabbit. R, rabbit. Let's listen to the beginning sound of each word. Circle the beginning R sound. Robot. Robot. Ring. Ring. Radish. Radish. Rock. Rock. Rainbow. Rainbow. Racket. Racket. Awesome! Now you know the sound of letter R is R, as in rabbit. The name of this letter is B. This is big letter B. This is small letter b. The sound of this letter is P, like the beginning sound of pet, bat. Let's listen to the beginning sound of each word. Circle the beginning P sound. Banana, P, banana. Book, P, book. Balloon, P, balloon. Bicycle, P, bicycle. Bag, P, bag. Buffalo, P, buffalo. Impressive! Now you know the sound of letter B is P, as in the name of this letter is G. This is big letter G. This is small letter G. The sound of this letter is G, like the beginning sound of goldfish. G, 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 goldfish. Let's listen to the beginning sound of each word. Circle the beginning G sound. Gift, G, gift. Garlic, G, garlic. Guava, G, guava. Guitar, G, guitar. Grapes, G, grapes. Garage, G, garage. Fantastic! Now we know the sound of letter G is G, as in goldfish. The name of this letter is H. This is big letter H. This is small letter H. The sound of this letter is H, like the beginning sound of hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Let's listen to the beginning sound of each word. Circle the beginning sound. Hat, hat. Hammer, hammer. helmet, helmet. Hands, hands. Horse, horse. Hammer, hammer. Fantastic! Now you know the sound of letter H is as in hippopotamus.